Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the PDF and the destination are ready. Open the PDF in an editor that supports interactive links. Once done, locate the exact place in the document where the link belongs and select the text or object. This is crucial for accessibility and accurate click targets. Make sure you copied the full destination, including the protocol like HTTPS, // because missing that causes errors. Now create a text selection or draw a rectangle over the image as the first actionable step. Next, choose the Add Link tool in your editor and pick the type that matches your goal. You want Open a Web Page for external URLs or Go to Page for internal jumps. When prompted, paste the full URL or enter the page number and specify whether it should open in a new window. This affects user flow. Then style the link. Set a visible border or color, and add a descriptive tooltip so users and screen readers understand the destination. Make sure the clickable area fits the text or image. Finally, save your edited PDF as a new file and test every link thoroughly in Acrobat Reader, a web browser, and a mobile app, because behavior can vary. If a link fails, inspect the URL for missing HTTPS, // or stray spaces, and verify there isn't an invisible overlay or flattened layer blocking clicks. For PDFs used in forms or secure environments, make sure document security allows external navigation. Otherwise, links will be blocked. One key troubleshooting tip: reproduce the problem, then fix the URL formatting and retest.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.